In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson Workforce 2930 printer that is printing lines. It can be a horizontal line or the vertical line, so we can see it's missing some in a horizontal way, and to fix that we have to go to the printer control panel, click on the home button, scroll ahead, look for the maintenance, scroll ahead, click on the printhead alignment. Select if you want to do the vertical alignment or horizontal. So there are two options like vertical and the horizontal, so you can start from any one. You can do vertical if you have an issue with the vertical line, or you can do the horizontal if you have the issue with the horizontal lines, and then click on the proceed button and click on the print. Look at the page we see and click on the proceed here. You have to enter the values, so that's the hash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it has missed writings because it is low in the ink. You have to select the correct box with all the inks showing up and enter the values on the main screen. So you can select if you want to add the number 4, 5, whatever the box is correct, you have to confirm and enter it here. Once you are done, click on the done button, and next time you print, your printer will print the normal. This way we can fix the printer that is printing lines. Thanks for watching.